My name's George Christou. I'm a manager of Ash Brothers Food Services. It's a family business. Dad started it about 30 years ago on his own, so that's why he had kids to help him out. And now me and my siblings are continuing. It has its challenges, pros and cons, but we get along at the end of the day, so that's the main thing.
My name is Christou. I'm the director of the company. I'm the father of the boys. It's a family business. I've been in the industry for nearly 40 years. Well, I started in late 80s. I was unemployed. I started with a company called John Lewis Food Services as a truck driver. Slowly worked my way up into a managerial role, and I needed someone of a Greek-speaking background. So that's where I came into it. So I started working at Ash Brothers, made an offer to buy the business off them, and the rest is history.
Quality food is important to us growing up, so we sort of have those values as well, and that's why we enjoy this business, because we love to provide quality food to people.
Just love the early morning starts, just the characters that you meet. It's just something that I've been doing for so long. It's like walking and breathing. I know the business is in good hands with the family, and I'll be there in the background supporting them, so the future is bright.